Hello everyone, my name is Ritz Lawrence Bisokal dito, taking up a Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English. And today, I will gonna teach you about motion problems. What is motion problem? Motion problems are based on the formula d is equals to rt, where d is equals distance, r is equals to rate, and t is equals to time. What are motions or distance word problems? Motion problems are based on the formula d is equals to rt, where d is equals to distance, and r stands for rate or speed, and t stands for time. So, para hindi na tayo maguluhan pa, so gagawa tayo ng triangle and we have to divide it by 3. So, there are 3 space. So, ilalagay natin sa tatlong space is ang distance, the rate, and the time. So, para malaman natin kung ang distance is, kailangan natin muna ng distance is equals to r or t. R and t rather. And r is equals to d over t, and t is equals to d over rate. There are 3 types of motion word problem. Number 1 is one person. Number 2 is two objects going into different or opposite direction. Number 3 is both objects going in the same directions. And there are 3 examples. So example number 1 is about one person. Cerello runs at average of 10 capacity per hour. If he needs to run a 20.5 kilometer marathon, how long would it take him to finish? So there are the given. D or distance is equals to 20.5 kilometer. S or R or rate is equals to 10 capacity per hour. So ang hinahanap natin is yung T. So, di ba hinahanap natin yung T? So, ito yung solution niya. T or time is equals to D over R or rate, and equals to 20.5 over 10. So, equals to 2.05 hours or 2 hours and 3 minutes. So, there are the conclusion. Therefore, it takes 2 hours and 3 minutes for Cerello to finish the marathon. So, here are the example number 2. Two objects going into different or opposite direction. For example, nito is ako at yung best friend ko is same kami ng place. And then, ako papuntang Jansan, tapos siya papuntang Tacarong. So, ito yung mean ng two objects going into different or opposite directions. So, number 2 example. A car and a van left from Davao in opposite directions. So, the car traveled for 3 hours at 80 capacity per hour. After 3 hours, the vehicles were 486 km apart. Find the van speed average. So, ito yung given niya. D is equals to 486 km. R1 or rate 1 is equals to 80 capacity per hour. So, yung hinahanap natin is yung R2 or rate 2. Yan yung nagawa natin ng solution mamaya. And then T1 is equals to 3 hours and T2 is equals to 3 hours na rin. Kasi same direction, same sila nung time na pag-alis. And then D is equals to D1 or distance 1 plus distance 2. So here are the solutions. D is equals to S1 times T1 plus S2 times T2. So, yung D natin is 486. So, 486 equals to 80 times 3 plus 3S. And then, 348 is equals to 240 plus 3S. 246 is equals 3S and 82 is equals S. So, the conclusion, therefore, the van speed average is 82 capacity per hour. So, here are the example number 3. Two persons in the same direction. number 3 is Archie left Bangkok with a speed of 48 capacity per hour. Bright also left at the same time in the same direction at speed of 36 capacity per hour. How many hours should Archie and Bright travel for them to be 48 kilometers apart? So here are the given. D is equals to 48 kilometer. And then rate 1 or R1 is equals to 48 capacity per hour. R2 or rate 2 is equals to 36 capacity per hour. So D is equals, stands for distance, distance 1 minus distance 2. So yung hinahanap natin is T1, which is the time 1, rather. So here are the solutions. D is equals to S1 times T1 minus S2 times T2. So yung D is 48 kilometer. So yung D So yung D papalitan natin ng 48 kasi siya ang D is 48 kilometer. So 48 is equals to 48 times T minus 36 times T. And then 48 is equals to 48t minus 36t. And then 48 is equals to 12t. And then 4 is equals to t rather. So here are the conclusion. Therefore, it takes 4 hours for them to be 48 km per hour apart. So, that is the example of motion problem. I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Thank you everyone and have a blessed day to all of us. Thank you po.